Hello everyone. From today we will start Python. So if you are college or school student, then this video will help you a lot in your tech career. So without wasting your time, let's start. So at the first, let's know about Python. What is Python? Python is an easy to read programming language used for web development, data analysis, AI and more. And our second question is how it works. So Python run code line by line and dynamically typed and has many built-in libraries for easy programming. And our third question is how Python can help us. Python is great for website, data analysis, AI, automation and quick testing ideas. So I hope you understand about Python. Now we will start all the functions of Python in next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to turn on bell icon and subscribe the channel. So let's meet on next video. Keep coding and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.